Ladies and gentlemen, one of my favorite services in the cryptocurrency space, ShapeShift, has just introduced a game-changing new feature allowing non-custodial management of your crypto assets on their platform. Specifically, I want to share with you how to integrate your Trezor hardware wallet with their platform, and I've also got a really cool giveaway at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. Without further ado, let's hash it out. Now guys, in the intro, I used the term non-custodial, and I wanted to explain that to you really quickly if you're not familiar with that phrase. In the crypto space, a lot of people say, not your keys, not your crypto. And that is the truest thing that one can ever say. When you're on an exchange like Coinbase, for example, and you purchase cryptocurrency and you see it in your app in that wallet is not owned by you. Coinbase is the custodian of that wallet, meaning they own the keys and they then own your crypto. They've just basically assigned it to you in their app. This means that if Coinbase loses those keys, if Coinbase is hacked, if Coinbase goes down, your crypto goes down with them. The only way to ensure security of your crypto assets, your cryptocurrencies, is to put them in a hardware wallet that you own, so that you own your keys in cold storage. Now, this presents a problem for people that want to manage their cryptocurrencies in an easier way on an application like Coinbase, and they want to constantly trade cryptocurrencies or keep track of their portfolio without having to connect their hardware wallet to their computer all the time. So another popular exchange service out there on the market today, ShapeShift, has introduced the ability to do non-custodial crypto asset holdings and purchases on their platform. This means that you can use the ShapeShift dashboard to manage your crypto assets, to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and exchange one cryptocurrency for another. All of this happens though with transactions that are signed with your Trezor hardware wallet. This means that at all times you own your cryptocurrency keys, no one else owns them, and unless your hardware wallet is directly connected to your computer and unlocked, you can't sign and do anything with the crypto assets that are on your ShapeShift account. This means that if that account is hacked for some reason, or ShapeShift is hacked for some reason, your cryptocurrency is still safe. That is the killer feature. So I want to show you how to connect your Trezor hardware wallet over to the ShapeShift platform. It takes no time at all, and then show you what that interface looks like and some of the benefits that come with connecting your wallet up, besides just having non-custodial access to your cryptocurrencies. So let's head over to the computer now and check it out. Now to get started, the first thing you're gonna have to do if you haven't already is install the Trezor Bridge application, which really helps your Trezor Model T hardware wallet connect to your computer and effectively communicate with other wallet applications like ShapeShift. So I'm just showing you here the process by which you can go ahead and install that, which is on Windows a pretty straightforward process. You're just letting the installer do its thing. Once you're finished, make sure you launch it, and you can refresh the page to make sure that everything worked properly. You'll see this new web page that tells you to connect your Trezor. That means you're good to go. So when we move on to pair your Trezor Model T hardware wallet with the bridge installed, go to beta.shapeshift.com, select pair, and that's going to reach over to the application for Trezor and request access, which you can grant it. From there, you're exporting your public keys so that the ShapeShift application can find on the block explorers the transactions pertaining to your account. And there you go. It's as simple as that, getting connected. And you're going to go ahead and finish the setup. And then here, after a couple seconds, it's going to pull in all the transactions that you have for the accounts on your Trezor. So here I have one Bitcoin transaction, and there's actually one Ethereum transaction in process that I wanted to show you as it updates. So here there are a bunch of different assets that you can access in the ShapeShift. Beautiful user interface. And that's the key benefit here, is that even if you don't want to use ShapeShift as an exchange, you can use it to just view the assets and manage the assets that you have on your wallet already. The user interface for Trezor and for Ledger, etc. on their app is okay. I think ShapeShift's is amazing. So for me, I use this to just manage the assets. So here you can see Chainlink, the interface for receiving cryptocurrency, and it shows you your QR code all in this drop-down menu. And the same goes for Send. It's the same style menu. It prioritizes what crypto you have. You may have noticed that the Ethereum that I sent in earlier just showed up when we were in that menu option and showed up in the dashboard page, which is pretty cool to see. It really grids out what your holdings are. And if we go down here to trade, which I must warn you does require a verified account. Yes, that means KYC. That's part of the game. It's part of the puzzle. If you live in the US, KYC is impossible to avoid, but you can trade cryptocurrency, so Ether, to any other different cryptocurrencies on the ShapeShift platform. So here I'm going to trade some of my Ether for Digibyte, which I can do on platform here with a verified account. And because all of the keys for these different wallets reside on the Trezor hardware wallet and not on platform, you can go ahead and verify the public key corresponding on your device to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. You can check that. It's a best practice whenever you send crypto, and you can see that here. But from there, what you can do is initiate the trade. You're going to have to give it permission to do what it needs to do. And then it's going to ask you to confirm on your device. So you're going to have to confirm and make sure everything looks good on your Trezor Model T, giving it permission to sign the transaction with the keys on the device and pass it back. So here I just counted the time that it takes to confirm the deposit to the ShapeShift account. And then from there, it does the exchange from Ethereum to the Digibyte blockchain, converts the assets, and then sends them back to your wallet. All told, it took about 1 minute and 15 seconds for this to all happen, but I sped it up for the sake of this video. Once the trade is done, you can go back into your wallet dashboard and you'll see that the asset exchange happened in front of your very eyes within the platform on ShapeShift, but ShapeShift doesn't own any of your keys, so it's still completely non-custodial. You've just exchanged crypto one for another. And so you'll see here, my hardware wallet named Harry Kane after the Tottenham Hotspur striker is connected. Now, you can also buy crypto with US dollars on this platform. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or DAI, and you can only do that with a verified account. Again, you can connect using US dollar accounts to buy cryptocurrency for 1% fees in a completely non-custodial environment, so your keys are perfectly safe. As you can see from using the ShapeShift hardware integration with their platform, you can see that at all times the Trezor hardware wallet is the holder of the keys. It's the most important part of the process. And even though you're using the ShapeShift platform to perform certain operations, at all times your keys remain on the Trezor hardware wallet, protecting you and your cryptocurrencies. As always, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. It's always appreciated, and there's plenty more content for you to watch, which I'll link here on the screen. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Cheers. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there is a giveaway, and I want to announce that right now. The ShapeShift team was kind enough to offer 3 Trezor One hardware wallets that are compatible with their platform for me to give away to lucky winners that are watching this video. Now, all you need to do to put yourself in contention to win is to make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel right here, make sure you're following ShapeShift on Twitter, and leave a comment down below in the comments. Let them know why you would want to win a Trezor One hardware wallet and what your favorite feature of the ShapeShift integration is. So I'd like to give a big thank you to the ShapeShift team for sponsoring this giveaway to give 3 Trezor hardware wallets out to you guys, 3 lucky winners in my audience. Thank you very much, ShapeShift.